Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Awesome.
Kind of dirty, but you know.
That's alright. Are these the... Oh, 54 of them. Oh gosh.
Yeah, way underpowered, man.
Oh, this is... Wow, this... How much is this Ying Long?
Yep, 160 F-hour.
Okay. Nice.
4 or 5 Ks on 8, flat 4 or 5, 18s.
PSI?
Yep.
Okay.
Way fucking underpowered, man.
Way underpowered? Yes, sir. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, but it don't fucking work.
It doesn't?
So, I'm just gonna sit in the driver's seat. Is that cool for you?
Which is louder? Does it not
I'm
matter?
gonna stand outside. I'm just gonna let you get inside.
Okay, sure. I won't ever touch someone's knob because something happens I don't want to.
No, you're fine, go ahead. Sit here and make sure all these damn wires ain't. I mean, it's kind of sloppy, but.
I was going to come over there if that's all.
I mean, it's up to you, yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind climbing over anything, dude.
Go ahead, buddy, go ahead.
I like this kind of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Not many people do builds like this. This is pretty. Is this yours? You did all of this.
I love it, yeah.
So what does it meter when you on the best burnt score? Never metered it.
No,
Okay.
I busted the windshield 2 days ago.
Okay.
Got this one installed yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And so here we are.
All right. What's your tuning on your box?
Not sure of the tuning, but it's a 1.1 to 1 ratio.
Okay.
1.1 is the ported side.
Okay. All right. I'm ready when you are. You're good. Solid.
Maybe not. I knew you'd find a way to get over it, but I never thought she would get.
Dude, that is insane. The prep
She's so far gone right down the road. She would get.
Alright. Hey, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Stu.
Stu.
Stu Gun.
Thank you, man.
Facebook, yeah.
Yes, sir.
S-T-U.
Thank you.
She would kid.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.